Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Seabass with Dill. And today, I'm doing my first ever food review. Raising Cane's or Chick Fil A. All right, guys, so I just got home from work. I posted on social media last week or this week sometime about Chick Fil A and Raising Cane's and which one's better. They're popping up right across the street from each other. Full disclosure, I've had Chick Fil A before. Not really a fan. I don't like their chicken nuggets. I don't know. I don't eat fast food a lot. It's just not my thing. If I order from there, it's usually a spicy chicken sandwich. And I never had Raising Cane's. So I went there. We're going to try them out. We're going to see. There was a lot of varying opinion. Some say this one has no flavor. Chick Fil A is better. Others say Raising Cane's is the best. It's all about the sauce. Now, I will say, more menu options, learn how to speak. There are more menu options at Chick Fil A. Sure. So I try to be as equal as possible. We got 3 chicken strips and a small fry. I got the Chick Fil A sauce and some Polynesian sauce, and then I got the Raising Cane's sauce. So equal across the board, Now, I've been starving myself all day just to eat this shit tonight. I left a very good restaurant, to which I work at. Literally just got home from work. Left a very good restaurant where I could have got a very good meal for this. I waited a combined 45 minutes in line at each place. And they're literally across the street from each other. 45 minutes. That already, this ain't worth it. It's not worth it. But anyway, all right, let's see what we got here. We go to the Chick Fil A first. Everybody says that Chick Fil A has more flavor because they put like sugar or something in the breading. And first of all, these chicken tenders look like trash. This is a chicken tender? This is what we're getting. This is what we got from Chick Fil A. Hold on. Let me get the Raising Cane one out. So Chick Fil A, they're environmentally friendly with the cardboard Raising Canes. We got this plastic thing here. The fries and the chicken tenders are together. Whereas with Chick Fil A, they're separate. So, okay. So if I'm comparing already looking at this, I don't eat chicken tenders because I'm I got French fries stuck. I don't eat chicken tenders because I'm an adult. Now, if I were to eat chicken tenders, this one is more the style. Dog, if you don't get out of here, this is more the style that I would like. More breading. I'd actually do like a tempura chicken tender. That might actually be pretty good. I might try that on my own. Versus this one. I'm already liking visually Raising Cane's. Now, I love a crinkle cut fry. Now, I did get through the drive-thru. It was like a 20-minute drive on my way home from work. Normally, I eat fries first. Listen, if you know, you know. Whenever you get fries, you got to eat the fries first because cold fries are no good. Cold chicken tender, whatever. It's cold chicken. Put it in the microwave. Fries in the microwave, just not the same. But these crinkle cut fries, I tell you right now, they had nothing on the Shake Shack fries. Shake Shack fries, super crispy, great flavor. But we're not talking about Shake Shack today. Now, before we get in, guys, do me a favor, like, subscribe, follow. If you want me to do more food reviews, drop some places down in the comments that you want me to review. And let me know, because I think I'm going to have fun with this. I don't know what this is. But, all right, go away. Dog, get out of here. I'm trying to review food. And of course, I got some tequila to wash it down. So, okay. That was just a little bit of crust there. But before we get to any sauce, right, I just want a plain bite. I need a base. I need a baseline. It's juicy. It's got a little flavor to it. Okay. All right, at the end of the day, it's still a chicken tender. All right, Raising Cane. I see what y'all are saying in the comments. The Chick Fil A actually has some flavor to it. Now, is that the pickle juice brine? Is that the sugar they put in there? I don't know if they put sugar in there. That's what people in the comments were saying. But this just Oh man, the Raising Canes, like they're allergic to like salt and pepper and seasoning. Like this, literally, it's just a piece of chicken with some breading. The Chick Fil A, the Chick Fil A got flavor. There's flavor in that. Okay, not enough to make me go there. I don't like it, but all right. Everybody's saying the cane sauce is where it's at though. So we'll get some sauce. So they save all the seasoning and flavor for the sauce. Sauce is all right. I make this myself. Just tastes like ketchup and mayonnaise, some pepper. They put all the seasonings in the sauce. It's like they got my Bassett blend all purpose in their ketchup and mayonnaise mix. All right, Chick Fil A sauce. Chick Fil A sauce. Look like nacho cheese. Ugh. Can't get it. Huh. I don't mind that sauce either. This is unfortunate. The cane sauce way better than the Chick Fil A sauce. Hands down. Now, we're gonna cross-pollinate here. I'm gonna take my Chick Fil A tender, dip that in the cane sauce. That's actually really good. Listen, I'm never going back to either one of these places intentionally. It's just not food that I like to eat. If I'm being 100% honest, dog, get out here. I mean, I'd rather eat just the plain double cheeseburger from McDonald's than either of these. I don't eat fast food a lot. It's not my thing. I'd rather just cook. But there's about 15 other fast food places that I would rather go to before I go to either of these places. Now, that being said, if Chick Fil A and Raising Cane's decided they wanted to partner up, we get like this color and this breading with their seasoning and flavor and this cane sauce. No, they might run there, take over the world. But anyway, 45 minutes in line, $18, $19, 18 and change for 3 chicken strips and some small fries. I tell you what, I do like a waffle fry. I do like a good waffle fry, but not enough for me to go back to either of these places. So, final results. Oh, the fries are good in the Chick Fil A sauce though. The waffle fries and the crinkle cut. Chick Fil A sauce, great for the fries. The cane sauce, great for the tenders. Now, if I'm giving my opinion, based off the chicken alone, we're just talking about the chicken. We went chicken strip for chicken strip, chicken tender for chicken tender. Chick Fil A got more flavor. It really does. It has more flavor. But I really do like the style of the Raising Cane chicken tender versus this flat thing that they got over at Chick Fil A. I don't know what that is. I like this much better. If I'm guessing, I feel like Raising Cane's takes a chicken breast and they slice it to make these, because this is a little white meat for me versus a chicken tender. While yes, it is the little tenderloin underneath the breast, and that is also white meat, it does have a little bit more juiciness to it than your regular chicken breast. So that's just a guess based on just aesthetics, just looking at it. But again, all the flavor is in the Chick Fil A chicken tenders there. So yeah. But guys, do me a favor, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you want to see me do more food reviews, because I actually had fun doing this. I might be open to doing some more of these. So if you got some other places that you want to compare, contrast, get an opinion on, drop those down in the comments. Let me know. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new food reviews or recipes that I got coming out. Until the next dish, y'all. Cheers.